Hi, today I'm making a bit of a Cheetah's chicken teriyaki with garlic broccoli and jasmine rice. This is a bit of a family favourite. My 2-year-old niece loves it. So I'm going to start by frying my chicken thighs in an oven-proof pan. A little bit of oil, skin side down till it goes golden, and then you're going to want to flip it. Now I'm going to remove some excess fat with just a kitchen tissue. I'm going to turn the heat down, add my sauces and a tiny dash of water. Then transfer your pan to a hot oven. You could also do it under a grill, but just be more careful as the mirin in the sauce will burn quickly. So while that's cooking, I'm going to get on with my vegetables. I'm just going to do half fleurettes with my broccoli, and I'm going to julienne up the stalk because I don't really like throwing stuff like that away. Slicing my garlic. You might have seen in my previous videos I quite like my garlic chunky. As long as it's not raw or burnt, it really doesn't matter. Next I'm going to put my water on to boil to cook my broccoli. I'm going to put my rice on using my rice cooker today, which I highly recommend. But if you don't know how to make jasmine rice in a pan, check out my last video, it's on there. So back to my chicken thighs. I think it's been about 10 minutes and I'm just going to flip it skin side down. And then again after about another 10 minutes, flip it back over skin side up, and another 10 minutes should be cooked. Shouldn't need more than 25 minutes in total. So get your broccoli into boiling salted water for about 5-6 minutes. Then you're going to strain that really well, and we're going to stir fry our garlic in a little bit of oil. And then we're going to add our broccoli, and that's pretty much done. It will taste great with a little bit of the teriyaki sauce at the end. I'll put weights, ingredients, prices at the end of this video if you want to pause it, and a full link of all the ingredients will be in the description. And that's it. I'm just going to serve it now. As you can see, the sauce is quite thin. I like it like that because the rice absorbs it and you can put it on the broccoli. If you wanted it a bit thicker, just don't put the water in, or put less water in it. Thanks for watching the video and enjoy.